Let's do number 16 on page 634. A $5,000 7.5% bond, redeemable at par with semi-annual coupons, is purchased to yield 6% compounded semi-annually. What is the premium or the discount and the purchase price if the bond is bought A, 10 years before maturity, and B, 6 years before maturity? We're just going to do A since B is going to be very similar. So first of all, we know that the face value of the bond is $5,000. The bond rate is B, 3.75%. The principal, right, therefore, is equal to 5,000, and I is equal to 3%, right, half of 6. So part A, 10 years before maturity, and it's compounded semi-annually, semi-annual payments, so N must be 20, right? 2 times a year for 10 years. Right. Equals 20. Next, I know that B is greater than I, so this tells me that it's going to be sold at premium. Let's move it up a little bit. So the first thing we do is we compute the coupon amount every 6 months. So I'll just write coupon equals 100,000 times 3.75%, right? That's the half of 7.5% is B, which is 3.75%. And this gives us $187.50 every 6 months. I also know that the bond is worth 3%, so 100,000 times 3% is $150, right? Since B is greater than I know that it's going to sell at premium, so 187.50 minus 150 is $37.50, the difference. So the next thing I need to do is I need to calculate the premium, and that will be the present value of $37.50. That's the difference between 150 and 187.50 every 6 months, and I bring it back 1.03 since the bond is worth 3%, and for 20 payments. All right, so let's bring the calculator up. So I'm going to compute this. This is going to be 1.03 exponent 20 negative equals, change the sign to a negative, add 1. If you do it this way, you don't have to worry about the brackets, divided by 0.03, and that is 1487, right? Oh, and then I need to times that by 37.50, and that's 557.91. It's the premium. So this tells me the purchase price is equal to the $5,000. It's redeemable at par, plus 557.91, which will give me 5557.91, which is the purchase price 10 years before maturity. So the difference in B is it's 6 years before maturity, so the N will be 12 instead of 20, and that's how you do number 16.